Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change language and time zone in IONOS Webmail. First thing I want you to do is log into your IONOS Webmail dashboard, cover the top right, and click on this gear cog. It will actually take you to settings and give you this drop down. I want you to click on this first option right here. It says all settings, and then you'll get this pop up, okay? From the left-hand panel, I want you to click on General, and then I want you to scroll down until you see Language and Time Zone. So you can click on this arrow, and it will reveal more options. So here you can click on this drop-down, choose any other language you want, right? We'll do English United Kingdom, and you'll have to reload your page to make these changes for them to take into effect for language and time zone. And time zone is right here. So let's go ahead and switch over to another country. We'll do Nairobi. And there we go. Just click here on reload page and your settings are automatically applied. Okay, there we go. And that is how to change a language and time zone in IONOS Webmail.